Hi, this is Dakota Peterson. We're going to be doing question number 6 for the exam. So we're going to go to local users and groups, users, more actions, new user, and we'll make this person's name be Bob Person. Full name, Bob Person. Description. He is a person. Okay, so we do not want this user to change password at next login. User cannot change their password, and the password never expires. Let me double check. Yeah, password never expires. User cannot change password. User must not change password at next login. So let's go back, and we're going to make this password be password 12. Password 12. We're going to create. Okay, we're going to try something doesn't have the word password in it. So pass 12 word. Pass 12 word. Okay, none of those passwords are working, but I did get one to work. So here we go. Bob Pearson. He's a person. We're going to look at properties. User cannot change password. Password never expires. Okay, so right now he's just a member of users, but that's for the next question. So anyway, that's what I got. I had to put in a very complex password, but it worked. So, okay, there we go. There's Bob Person as our new user to fulfill question number 6.